Hello everyone, and I trust that you're doing great. Now today we're continuing with our titration questions, and we're looking at our second question, but this time we're using the formula method, which is our second method of solving this question. I want to remind you of the question. The question reads, it takes 25 milliliters of a 0.75 molar concentration of sodium hydroxide solution to completely neutralize 150 milliliters of a sulfuric acid solution. What is the concentration of the sulfuric acid solution? Again, please remember to always write your balanced chemical equation first. From a balanced chemical equation, determine your molar ratio between the acid and the base. This is a 1:2 ratio based on this equation, which means it required 1 mole of sulfuric acid to react with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. Now let us quickly remind you of the formula. The formula is MaVa divided by Na equals to MbVb divided by Nb. M is the molarity, V is the volume, N is the number of moles from the balanced chemical equation or the molar ratio. A represents acid and B represents the base. All right, now let's plug in our variables from the question. Now we do not have Ma. That means we need to find the molarity of the acid. So Ma multiplied by 150 divided by 1 equals to 25 multiplied by 0.75 divided by 2. Again, we have 2 moles of sodium hydroxide from the molar ratio. Now therefore, Ma now equals to 25 multiplied by 0.75 divided by 150 multiplied by 2. Therefore, the molar ratio of the sulfuric acid is 0.0625. I hope this method was also useful and you understand it well and able to apply it. And so at this time, I want to thank you for watching this lesson. And I want to remind you that at all times, you should always be grateful. So please have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will talk to you soon.